Hi, my name is Pedro Jose, and we speak and think benefit and dual education. Benefit of two integrate practice and theoric learning. Concept what is study in class work, the work or working magnifico. Develop a folk sac, kahis safi sac, tayak demok, compractic ikracti. We implement opportunity konuk of company operate and you to study work company work in project and in organized culture great confirming and responsibility. Continue with they work or work help ups max panic and work the sick independent. Employment opportunity many companies is study work practice in individual educative program and aid